not here anymore. Who could say where you've gone? But you left behind memories, so your spirit lives on and on. It's been said before, it doesn't make it less true. You're so full of life, so funny, yet you were so blue. I lost count of the times you brought many a joy-filled smile to all of us, your friends, as we sat and solved the problems of the world. With you at the Cairns bus station, we sat in our backpackers' vans. In rapture we listened as we watched the man from Birmingham. 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 So hard we did laugh at your many impersonations and your jokes, your anecdotes, your stories, your wit and your charms, your rendition of Elvis as you blew on the harp. Yes, so vivid a memory embedded deep within my heart. And thus I promised myself, and I promised to your soul, that the same harp I will master before I grow old. But for now, my dear friend, the best thing that I can do is to sing this short, sad song in memory of you. In memory of you, the man from Birmingham. In memory, in memory, in memory of you, the man from Birmingham. 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 In memory of you.